It's finally here. The new lottery winning formula software that every smart lottery player is using all over the world. With our #1 recommended and rated lottery software, all you have to do is log into our website, pick your state and country, then pick the game you want to play. With one click, our Smart Pick tool will generate the most likely lottery combinations that comes from our secret system of picking winning lottery numbers. This can save you a lot of time, headache, and effort every time you are ready to play. Lottery winning formula will also give you the following with one click of a button: frequency analysis, hot number analysis, cold number analysis, overdue number analysis, and much, much more. Forget using outdated strategies, courses, and systems that promise the world but leave you losing. Use our new lottery software that was recently developed to help put you in the best position to win every single time. Here's what you'll be able to do with the lottery winning formula software. Instantly generate lottery numbers that will be most likely hit in future drawings. Instantly generate lottery frequency with a click of a button. See the most frequent and least frequent numbers hitting from the past drawings. You can instantly find out the numbers that are hot numbers that are hitting frequently. You can instantly find the cold numbers that are due to hit. Use the most up-to-date winning lotto trends available inside the software. Instantly check your lottery number results with one click of a button so you can save time and energy. This software requires no skill, special computer, or experience. All you need to be able to do is simply log into our website and get the numbers that are most likely to win. Our lottery experts have done all the hard work for you. This software works in any state in the USA, as well as any country in the world. Ready to get started? Click the Add to Cart button below to see our special introductory rates.